Okay, so we have seen how to add visuals in our report, how to add filtering on them. Now let's learn one of the most important part of Power BI, which is drilling down. So drilling down in a visual or in a report means to go in depth of that particular visual to know more about that visual. So suppose let's take this bar chart of ours. So it is right now having customer name and their sales value. Now suppose our requirement is we want to know which country the from where our customers belongs to. Okay, so we'll add this country on top of the customer name. So now this is what it is showing. The sales are showing on the basis of the countries. Let me zoom it in Australia, France, Singapore, and UK. And now we want to know which countries are having our customers. So to do that, we have these big small buttons right here, these arrow buttons. I'll let you know about each and every one of them. So first of all, this button, this will show us the next hierarchy. Next hierarchy is means our next hierarchy is country customer name. So when we click on that, now it is showing the customer name, overall customers names from all the countries. Suppose there are 4 or 5 uh, hierarchies up here, so it will one by one go to the next hierarchies. The next button up here is expand down one level in the hierarchy, all down to one level. So what it will show is when you click on it, it will let you know the all the hierarchies from that first particular hierarchy. So suppose your first hierarchy was country, so it will show you the country name right here, and it will show you which country is having which customer. So Spain is having Euro shopping, US is having mini gifts, Australia having Australian collectors. So it will expand all of them and show all of them together, while this one will just go to the next level. So this is a difference between these two. But we don't need, suppose our requirement is different, we just want to see the customers only of USA. Right now what it is showing is showing us all the customers of all the different countries. We want to see just this particular bars. Okay, so for to do that we have to click on this button. This shows drilling down. When we click on this, this will activate, and now when we click on USA, just like this, it will drill down to the various customers it is having. One thing to note is that all the other charts have also been filtered on the value on the basis of what you have clicked. So you have clicked on USA, so it is showing values of only USA, the price and quantity of USA, the sales of USA. As you can see here, USA, we can go back by clicking on this. When you click on Spain, it will show you values of Spain customers. So this is how you drill down in any of the visual. So this is not only possible in this bar chart only, you can drill down in many other visuals also. As I said, many other visuals, because not in all visuals we can drill down, but in many of those. So when you click on this pie chart, it will also show you how to drill down. So as you can see all these countries, when you click on any country, it will show you the values of the customers, just like this. When you go up, it will show you various customers. So this is really very important part of Power BI, to know how to drill down effectively. So there are these 3 different ways of drilling down. First is this, to go just to the next level, to drill down overall together with the total visual, total number of things which we are having, and the final is to drill down to a particular data point. Down, I hope you have understood this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the QA sections anytime.